Salads. The word might make you think of rabbit food, but trust me, they're anything but boring. A vibrant salad is a delicious and easy way to get your daily dose of vitamins and feel fantastic. Forget complicated recipes. We're going for simple, fresh, and utterly irresistible. This isn't about deprivation, it's about enjoying food that loves you back. We're talking crunchy lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and a zingy dressing that will have you hooked from the first bite. Ready to create your own masterpiece? Let's get started. First things first, let's talk ingredients. The foundation of any great salad starts with the freshest produce you can find. Don't worry, I'm not sending you on a scavenger hunt through a health food store. You can find everything you need at your local market or grocery store. We're sticking to basics you can find at your local market. Freshness is key, so take your time to pick the best. For our base, we need lettuce. It's the canvas for our salad masterpiece. Choose any type you fancy: crisp, romaine, delicate butter lettuce, or a colourful spring mix. Each type brings its own unique texture and flavour. A big handful per person should do the trick. Make sure to wash and dry it thoroughly. Next, we'll add some extra veggies for flavour and texture. This is where you can really personalise your salad. A few sliced cucumbers add a refreshing crunch, perfect for balancing out the other ingredients, while cherry tomatoes bring a burst of sweetness. Their vibrant colour also makes the salad more visually appealing. Feel free to get creative here. Add your favourite veggies, nuts, or even some fruit. The possibilities are endless, and each addition can make your salad unique and delicious. Now, let's get chopping. The key to a great salad starts with the right preparation. Give your lettuce a good wash. Make sure to rinse thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides, and tear it into bite-sized pieces. This ensures every bite is manageable and enjoyable. No need to be too precise, a little rustic charm adds to the appeal. Slice those cucumbers thinly, aiming for even slices. And halve your cherry tomatoes. Their sweetness will balance the flavours beautifully. If you're feeling adventurous, dice up some red onion for a bit of bite. It adds a nice sharpness to the mix. Remember, this is your salad, so feel free to customize to your liking. Add any veggies you love. Once everything is chopped, toss it all into a large bowl. The more colourful, the better. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Mixing by hand ensures everything is evenly distributed. Gently mix the ingredients together until they're well combined. Take your time to ensure every ingredient is coated. Section 4. Dressing up your creation. This is where the magic happens, where your salad transforms from a simple mix of greens to a culinary masterpiece. A salad without dressing is like a sentence without a full stop. It needs that final touch. Imagine a canvas without paint. It's just not complete. But hold on, we're not reaching for any bottled concoctions filled with hidden nasties. Those store-bought dressings often contain preservatives, artificial flavours, and unnecessary sugars. Our dressing is going to be so simple and delicious, you'll wonder why you ever bought it pre-made. Plus, making your own dressing allows you to control the ingredients and customize the flavors to your liking. In a small bowl, whisk together a glug of good quality olive oil, the foundation of our dressing. Olive oil adds a rich, smooth texture and a subtle, fruity flavor. A squeeze of lemon juice, which brings a bright, zesty freshness that balances the richness of the oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. These simple seasonings enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. This is your chance to make it perfect for your palate. You can even add a touch of honey for sweetness, which can mellow out the acidity and add a lovely depth of flavour, or Dijon mustard for a bit of a kick. The mustard adds a tangy, slightly spicy note that can really elevate the dressing. Section 5. Your flavour adventure awaits. And there you have it, your very own easy, healthy salad. Drizzle that gorgeous dressing over your salad just before serving. Toss everything together to coat, and voila! You've created a culinary masterpiece that's bursting with flavour and goodness. So go ahead, grab a fork and enjoy the fruits and veggies of your labour. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it.